Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. I have a lot of beautiful pieces and the ways that I think you could style them. If you like the dress, I'm actually selling the exact same one, but not this one because this is mine. It's by me and M, size 8. Beautiful, never worn. I don't know why I have two, but I have two and I'm trying to go down to one. So I'm going to put a link in the description bar for my Vinted and Depop if you want to purchase it. I'll put it at a good price as well. But anyway, we're here for the Zara haul, so let's get into the Zara haul. Now, I like this look. I don't know if you're going to like this look, but I like it. Okay, I'm sucking in my stomach a little bit. Just a little bit. So this top is £16 and then the skirt is £19. But I think it's a cute little quirky look. If you don't want to suck in your stomach, you just want to then you could just bring it up like that. But I would wear like a little necklace and my ring that I always wear. But just a cute little fun look. Quality wise, the skirt is not great quality. No. The top is alright, it's decent. But how I could elevate this look is with a leather jacket. Now this kind of gives me that influencer look. I personally would grab the straps and then tie it at the back and leave it open. And then for shoes wise, I'll probably wear like black boots. Could be like thigh-high boots, knee-high boots, no, knee-high boots, or they could be like low ankle boots. This is how I would personally wear it. And then of course, if you want to be like the models, the Kendall Jenners of the world, whoever the other girls are, this is how I would personally wear it. Now the leather jacket I don't like. It's faux leather. I don't really like faux leather. I don't like the look of it, I don't like the feel of it, I don't like the smell of it. But I don't have a leather trench jacket. I'm looking for one. But I haven't really been looking, to be honest. I know I want one, but I haven't. I need to look for one. But there's just so many other things that distract me. Because I want a wool black coat, a 100% wool or 100% wool or cashmere black coat, cream coat or brown one and a white one, and a leather trench. Like those staples, but I need to actually look for them. I've kind of like browsed, but yeah. This is what I would wear. The jacket is so expensive. It's £90 for faux leather. You best believe I'm not paying that. Now, if you're more of a short mini dress girl, I know I have that long stripe one, but this is another option if you're into more short dresses. I don't really like them because I think they make me look a bit young. I prefer something a bit longer. I feel like it makes me look a bit more mature because my face is really fat and it just makes me look like I'm 15 all the time, or 18. But yeah, this is quite nice. It looks really nice and it feels really nice. I think it's like £33 and I'm wearing it size small. Thank you, bird. So I have to say the striped dresses from Zara have been really on point, great quality, and they feel really good. And I feel like, as I said before, these are dresses that are going to last. Stripe is not coming out of season anytime soon. But as before, if you wanted to, you could style it with the leather trench coat, but I would look for another one. But if you don't mind faux leather and you don't mind the noise and stuff, then this is an option from Zara. I probably would wear tights as well. This dress rides up for me. I apologize because I am wearing a white bra and I know this dress is quite see-through, but it's a good opportunity to show you that this dress is see-through and you kind of need an underslip, an underdress in order to wear it. I really like this. I love these type of dresses. Again, I think these can last a long time. The only thing I don't really like, it's all polyester. You have to be very careful with these type of dresses. I probably would advise not putting them in the washing machine because the washing machine spin cycle can really break down the fabric quite quickly. So I would advise hand washing it. It's nice and small enough. Literally when you're taking a shower, you know, or when you pop your conditioner in your hair, I would grab this, put it in a little bucket, you know, throw some soap and then rinse it away and it will be beautiful. Then you can just hang it up and leave it in the shower to just dry naturally in the summer outside. But yeah, beautiful little dress, boots, black jacket in the summer with sandals. Very, very versatile. The colours are gorgeous, and I think yeah, it could be really worn all year round. My timer and my cough. Yeah, so really, really love it. I got this in a size small and it's £36. I think it's worth it. There is like a little, there's a button up there, but I just didn't do it because I'm too lazy. It's cute. It's okay. At least the bottom is mine, but I would still get a slip dress. Next up is this cute like one-shouldered top from Zara. I had to like hide my brightness. I matched it with these trousers that I got from River Island. They're actually pretty good quality. A little on the see-through side, but I am wearing white underwear as well, so that doesn't really help. But I think this is quite a nice little look. You could wear sandals on a holiday, like when you're arriving to the hotel or you're leaving, you know, sometimes it's nice to wear trousers. And yeah, just a cute top and a cute little outfit idea with the white trousers. These are not from Zara again, they're from River Island, but with this kind of shirt. And I like these satin tops because you can really style them with, you know, skirts, you can trousers, jeans. It's just so versatile. But I think this print is really gorgeous. It's reminding me of Greece. I lived there for 2 years, loved it. Well, had ups and downs, but that's just life in general. But I love the experience of living in another country, in a hot country as well. Wish I could come back with the weather. But this is really, really nice price-wise. It is £30. So a bit on the pricey side. Again, with these items, I think you can get them on the sale. You don't have to pay full price. Came the last haul. Don't like it. It's not nice fabric quality. It looks a mess on me. I am a bit of a curvy girl and it's just doing a bit too much. And this, for someone who's slimmer and maybe taller as well, I think this would look nice. But for the curvy girls, I don't think this is really nice. It doesn't really work on our body types because this slit just looks like a big arrow to my private area, which is just not really nice. And it's for £23. I don't feel comfortable, and you have to feel comfortable in what you're wearing. You want to feel confident, you want to feel amazing, you want to feel like $100 million. So this does not make me feel that way, so it's a no. But I do love the colour of it, but fit and feel, Now we all know a black dress is a must need, and I think it can just be designed so beautifully. I like this. I think it's a take of something a bit more expensive. It is £35 if I remember correctly, and I got it in a size small. I'm not in love with the feel of it. It just feels a little bit on the cheaper side. I couldn't wear a bra with it either, which I don't really like. I think it's a dress that would look great on Instagram, would look great in pictures, but in person, I think for me it just lacks that quality. I would rather pay a little bit more for a bit better composition and better fabric as well. I'm not in love with the fabric. I love the design though. Love, love, love the design. But it just, like here, it feels like, yeah, they just cut it, so I feel what's going to happen if you keep washing it, that will just kind of unravel. It's gorgeous. It will look great. The thing with Zara is you have to be careful washing items. I am the type of person, even if the label says do not tumble dry and wash on a certain degree, blah 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 blah, I just shove my stuff in the washing machine because listen, I don't have the time to be taking care of all my items the way that they should be taken care of, which I know sounds so bad, but at the same time token, I have a lot of dresses. I think I'm at 200. I did get rid of a lot of them and try and stop my spending, so I don't wash like my dresses very regularly. Like I don't have like 5 dresses that I'm constantly washing, so that's why I think I can kind of get away with not always following the tag. But I do try and wash my nice dresses by hand. The cheaper ones, sometimes I can be lazy with all of them, let's be honest. But generally I'll jump in the shower and just try and wash them and then chuck them in the dryer. The drying part is the one part that I struggle with, unless it's a hot day, but we live in England. So the problem with these type of dresses, I feel like over time they just won't look very nice. So it's a no for me. This dress is one Zara's Premium, and generally Zara Premium is alright, but have you noticed that the discounts are crazy? Like, I would never buy a Zara Premium because in the sale, okay, not all the time, it depends on the item, but sometimes you find them in the sale and they'll be like £100 dress is now like 30 quid or 20 quid, and you're like, this is supposed to be viscose and wool, but when I picked it up, it looks so cheap. And I have wool dresses. I'm not trying to boast. I'm not trying to boast, but I have other dresses that are from wool or mixed between viscose and wool. This does not feel like viscose and wool. It feels cheap. I know Zara is trying to elevate itself apparently, but if you're gonna charge £120, like, make it look and feel amazing. This does not look or feel amazing. On a taller girl, it would look really, really nice, but I feel like this is a really long maxi dress, and I'm quite short. I'm only 5'3". But I'm not paying £120 for this. This is going to be a return. I have not liked really anything from this haul, except from that chiffon dress. But from the whole haul, including the other one, I think I only really, really, really liked the striped dress. Like, really, really, really like. Because there's no point just buying stuff and just filling up and then the next week going shopping again. You know, you want to get pieces in your wardrobe that you're going to wear immediately, that you know that you just absolutely just want to take home with you and wear them all the time. So, thank you so much for watching this video. My general views on Zara still remain the same. There can be really special pieces for the most part, but the quality isn't quite there and they just need a few more things to improve, but there are always one or two little lovely gems. But the premium section on this occasion was not premium.